do? So look, man, I started recording this video like 2 days ago, but I never got to finish. So obviously it's 2 days later. It's snowing again. So since the first video, Texas got hit with some bad weather and it got fucked up there. So shout out to everybody in Texas, man. Hope y'all situation get better. You feel me? No, y'all not really used to the fucked up weather in Texas, so y'all really wasn't prepared for it like that, like we are here in the Midwest. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, it's snowing again. Like I said, we're gonna pick up this video where we left off, you feel me? So make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to the channel so I can keep coming with these videos, man. And yeah, man, holla at your boy. What it do, squad? Man, y'all see what it is out here in this blizzard, man. It's going down out here. On my way home, had to come out, bust a quick little move. I really didn't want to do it, but you know, when the money calling, we gotta go get it. Don't matter what type of weather it is. So yeah, man, bust my little move. Now I'm on the way back home. had to do some quick thinking to avoid a quick little tragic situations, but you know, the Benz made it through it. I mean, we gonna push through it. But yeah, man, this damn fool was spinning out on the highway. I don't know if his tires was just fucked up or like what the hell was going on, but had to avoid that because he was definitely about to hit the Benz, and I would have had to get out and pop him. No cat. Nah, but oh shit. Uh-oh. See, my traction keep popping on. Oh shit, you got sideways right there. The thing I like about this car is it won't let you get sideways. It won't let, I mean, like, I fishtail sometimes, but okay. Thought Brody was busting the Yui on me. You was gonna have to get little. Nah, but yeah, that's the thing I like about this car is it won't let you spin out. Like, it's gonna hurry up and correct itself ASAP. Had to pull into the station real quick. Thought my boy was finna bust a Yui on me. So not today, not today. But yeah, man, once I get to the destination, I'll check back in with y'all if I don't forget to turn this camera back on. So yeah, man, holla at y'all for sure. And we're back. So yeah, made it to the destination. Shit. Y'all see what's going on out here, man. Goddamn blizzard in Indiana. But I know states like New York, Illinois, Michigan, I know they fucked up out there, cause it's fucked up here. It really don't usually go down like this. I mean, it do, but it don't. But really, it's the first time for the winter that it then like really got like this. Cause it done snowed a few times, but it usually be like some light shit, but it's like really going down. So yeah, man, we made it to the destination. Made it to the crib. I only been here for like maybe 10-20 minutes. And the car is already back covered. This is crazy. Yeah, man. Had to step out in the Timbos, man. Had to bring out the Timbos. For real. Yeah, man. But I just wanted to check back in with y'all. Cause I always say I'm gonna check back in, but I don't never check in. So I'm checking in. You feel me? Finna sit back, chill out, smoke some good gas. You know what I mean? Let's see. Smoking on some good gelato at the moment, so finna get in out this cold, man, and goddamn wait for the phone to ring. Y'all know how it go. Got my guy pulling up. Finna politic with my mans real quick. You know what I mean? Finna politic with my mans real quick and shit. Y'all see how deep that shit is? I really can't tell from on camera, but man, that shit real life deep, man. But yeah, man, I'll holler at y'all here in a minute, man. For sure. Motherfucking snow loud as hell, man. Checking back in, man. A couple days later after the storm. But it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm out and about. Had to go bust some moves. Right now I'm on my way back home. And as y'all can see, it's like, I don't know, it's coming down again. It's like round 2 of this shit, man. Got the snow truck out down there. I know Texas got hit with some snow. Y'all really had it pretty good, but I know y'all not used to it, so it's like damn. But like here we like really got snow. But you know, states like this we prepared for it because we have snow every year. But yeah, man, places like Texas, that shit definitely fucked up. But as you can see, it's like mountains of snow everywhere. Yeah, man. Oh, snap. And this is how it is pulling onto my street. So, right now I got my traction turned off. I forgot. But, oh, snap. Let me stop playing crazy, cause it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm not trying to get stuck out here, so. Going up to the crib right now. Like I was saying, I know Texas ain't used to shit like that, so. I know y'all fucked up down there or whatnot, but finna hop out this car, run in the crib real quick, come back out, show y'all some more of this snow. But yeah, it's really fucked up out here. Shit's coming down again, man. It's coming down again. But so after the other day when I checked in with y'all, the next day, man, was hell. It was so much snow out here to shovel. Like, really couldn't get off the street without getting stuck. really can't see it like that right now because it's nighttime, but the street is like covered. It's like so hard to get down the street. But as y'all could kind of see from when I was pulling on the street, it was just super hard to navigate down the street, man. So yeah, it's a lot of snow out here. It's just coming down again. So Texas, I feel y'all, but boy, shit's really real here. It's real in the Midwest, man. So I always say I'ma check in. And I'll never check in, as I said again. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little edit on this video and upload it probably tonight or tomorrow. No, I'm not gonna have a cool thumbnail because I ain't got that far in the process yet. I'm still learning. So, you know what I mean? I'm gonna probably pick the camera back up tomorrow, try to shoot a video tomorrow, see what's going on, see how much snow we got. Yeah, man, y'all, goddamn it, like, subscribe. You feel me? I'm gonna keep these videos coming. Holla at your boy. Yeah.